Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to grow your own crystal tree. Check this out. Cut out a tree from 2 pieces of cardboard and make a slit halfway down the center of the top and from the bottom so they can fit together like so. This is what you want to stand up in your solution. So hopefully we can stand up our tree and it looks something like this. Now before you put the tree in the crystal solution, you can put a little bit of food coloring on the tips if you want to, just to make it a little bit more interesting, like so. Next, you're ready to mix your crystal solution. You're gonna have 20 milliliters of sodium chloride, table salt. You're gonna have 20 milliliters of Miss Stewart's liquid blue. You're gonna have 20 milliliters of distilled water, and you're just gonna have 10 milliliters of ammonia. Okay, now you're ready to put your cardboard tree into the solution. Now, over the next several days, through capillary action, that solution will be drawn up into the cardboard, and as it evaporates, it'll leave the salt crystals behind. And that's how you grow your crystal tree. Give this several days, and you'll be amazed at the results. So check it out. Just after a few days, look at our crystal tree. Isn't that amazing? So what's happening here is you've got the cardboard absorbing all of that water, but in the water you have salt and you have ammonia and you have Mrs. Stewart's blue solution, and each of those play a factor. So through capillary action, that water is drawn up into the cardboard, and since ammonia evaporates faster than water, it starts to evaporate off, leaving the salt crystals behind, leaving these amazing salt crystals growing on the tree. Now, the Mrs. Stewart's blue solution is actually a colloid. It has tiny particles surrounded by water, and that plays a part too. So again, through capillary action, that Mrs. Stewart's blue solution evaporates faster along with the ammonia, leaving behind these salt crystals. Remember, capillary action is the same process the plants and tree uses to absorb nutrients through the soil up into their roots. Just amazing. Make your own crystal tree today. It's so easy and fun to do. Look at those crystals. That is awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.